Hello,
Hello, how are you?
good day, sir.
I'm good, thank you. Ngicela ungiphe cappuccino, a small cappuccino, and then ngicela ungiphe white donuts with Oreo bits.
With
Oreo bits, white donuts.
Oreo.
The
Yes.
white donut with Oreo bits. And then tell me, I'm sandwiches in now. Right now, we might.
Gonna eat cheese and tomato. The cheese and tomato with the chicken roll. Masakuba gonna eat cheese and tomato, chicken roll and the chicken patty. They say this like a club sandwich.
Cheese and tomato, chicken roll, and a patty.
Yes.
Ma, what's a chicken roll? Yin got to say chicken roll.
I'm just on that.
Eat chicken roll, got to say, what is that?
I'm not sure. If I see the chicken, they must be a chicken roll.
Okay. Alright. Ngicela ungiphe leyo ke le club sandwich.
It's toasted.
I know, ngicela ngingayitoast.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Usay to lasi wanja injani, the white and
The Oreo donuts.
the Oreo donuts.
Yes, the Oreo donuts.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Sure. Morning, guys. This is my official greeting, and I'm officially opening the vlog. I started off my day in such a rush, I didn't even get a chance to greet you guys properly. So good morning, welcome to my vlog, welcome to another day in my life. Currently I'm actually parked outside McDonald's. I'm just waiting for them to bring the stuff that I've ordered. I'd actually gone through the drive-through, but you know how it is sometimes. They tell you to park and they'll bring the stuff. So I've just gotten like a cappuccino and like some stuff because I'm hungry, obviously, but I didn't have time to eat at home. So I'll literally eat en route to where I'm going. So today I'm going to one of my sister's projects. There's some work that needs to be done there. So I'm heading out there to sites. I actually had to go change my top because I realized that I'm actually wearing a white top, and realized that actually since I'm going to sites, that's not going to be a good idea. So I've now changed my top. I've worn a black one, and yeah, so now I'm just gonna grab my food and then I'm gonna be en route to sites. So I hope you guys do stick around and do enjoy this vlog, and as always, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. I love you guys. Mwah. So here's my cappuccino. I'm just gonna put some sugar and all that stuff quickly. This is what the sandwich looks like. I'm here now at the house, but there's so much happening right now. I'm gonna try to vlog. There is so much happening at the moment. Yeah, but I'll try to show you guys whatever I can. It's been such a crazy day, guys. I haven't really gotten a chance to vlog as the things were happening. I've mainly just showed you what the house looks like, but I haven't really vlogged all the stuff that has been taking place. So first of all, the guys on sites, the builders and stuff, they have done a bit of a messy job, which then kind of affects the work that we're currently doing. Some of the stuff has to be redone, which then means that there's a bit of a delay with now our work. It's gonna affect our work. And you see, like, that's the thing with construction, that's the thing with construction related projects. Some things can be done concurrently. Some things need for other things to be completed first before they can be done. So I've just left sites. I've come to just drop off some people this side. The guy who was supposed to install the curtains today couldn't do so because there's some work that needs to now be fixed because the other guy did a bit of a messy job with his work. So now, there's that domino effect where now it affects everything else. But nevertheless, the furniture also arrives today. So I'll be going back now to just watch over that process and check that all the furniture is there and get it stored. In fact, the furniture was supposed to be placed as well today. It was supposed to go to all the places that it needs to go to in the house. But now that also can't take place because now they're still busy in all the rooms inside the house. So it's a bit of a tricky one, but it's fine. This is the work that we do. This is how things happen, with construction projects. Rarely do they finish exactly on time. But in any case, in terms of, my sister's work, her work is up to date. Everything is fine. It's just that now the parts where she's going to be affected by the other people's work, that's not going to delay, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. So I'm thinking that now, in this hour or so that I have between now and the furniture arriving, I think I might just go get something to eat or get some coffee or whatever. I'm not sure. But I'll see. And yeah, just have a little bit of a break. And then after that, back to sides. And then we continue with the rest of the work that needs to be done today. Also, I desperately need a place where I can charge my phone because my battery is almost dead. And I can't have that because I'm vlogging, and also I just need my phone in order to keep in contact with my sister throughout the whole time that I'm busy on sites. So ngidinga ukucharger, guys, and angazi ukuthi ngizocharger phi because I have the new charging cable, the new iPhone charging cable, and that's the USB connection yakhona is different. It's no longer compatible with like the normal USB port. So ngifrazekile nje kancane, angazi ukuthi ngizokwenza njani because I really need to charge my phone. I think it's sitting at 30% right now. So I don't know, maybe I just need to find a place, coffee shop or whatever, where I can just be able to charge my phone for like the next 30 minutes or whatever while I have some coffee, and then take it from there. And Wimpy saved the day, thank God. So I'm just gonna sit here and charge for like the next 15-20 minutes, and then I'll obviously have something to eat while I wait. So thank God, I feel so relieved because I was getting so stressed about the fact that my battery was literally sitting on 30%. So yeah.
You messed up this one. 19 is that one. You messed up. You need that one. You missed that one.
What number is this? 19?
18. 19 is that one. That's why it's coming. So the 19 is, huh?
Okay.
Just double check that.
I was good at math at school.
Yeah, you see the two armchairs are here.
The old school.
No, I said I went to school, but now the school is not helping me.
Oh.
So all the furniture is now here. I've just received it from the truck. All these items, so many of them. see stuff like this. Each and every item has a picture of what it's gonna look like. So yeah, this is everything. This is like the deck and the pool area, as you can see. And of course, the gorgeous views. Yeah, we've managed to pretty much do everything that we needed to do today. So with regards to the furniture delivery and all that, I think we're done. So yeah. Also, you need to take off your shoes in order to go upstairs. So. Oh, okay. See, that's the thing about fasting. So I forgot to mention earlier on that I actually ended up not eating my food because the furniture truck, basically they were on their way as I had just ordered my food. So I just told them to pack it up and yeah, so that I can eat it later. So now I'm actually going to eat. My food is here with me. I've already had my coffee, obviously. My food is actually here next to me, so I'm only going to get a chance to eat it now. So I'm going to do that quickly and then proceed with my day.